there, my beloved followers. I hope I'm well prepared, because today has the time come to me to try the Gator Jigsaw Purple. This little bugger, deep red, a little purple. When it is ripening up, it starts really purple and goes to dark purple, and finally it comes to dark red and a bit purple here up here. So this will be a nice treat. I think some of you will have a really good laugh when the heat strikes my whole mouth and my throat down to my stomach. The guts will take the most damage, I think. I wonder how my night will be, because I don't know how hot this one is, but I've heard that it is one of the hottest in the world right now. So it will probably be hotter than the Carolina Reaper, probably be hotter than the Dragon's Breath, and maybe hotter than the Chocolate Bootla. The Chocolate Bootla I haven't tried yet, but I have a plant down in my pepper dungeon that has a couple of flowers, 3 or 4, maybe 5, and will probably have fruit in, say, a week, maybe 2. So I'm pretty eager to try that one. So let's get to it. Open it up, deseed, and taste. If it will go bad, my wife is in the room next door, and I have prepared with yogurt. So here you go. Pretty beautiful pod, but my friend Ola, his Gator Jigsaws has a really nice tail. So this phenotype isn't the phenotype that it should be. So, but probably it has the same amount of heat. I really wonder how this tastes like. I really don't hope that this one tastes like bitter and floral. I do not like floral. You've probably seen when I took the Maruga Beelzebub, pretty floral, and Golden Reaper I believe was pretty floral too. No pods like that for me. Well, let's get it open. Ooh. Look at the oil there. Holy. Oh my God. Look at that placenta. This one is a really hot one. But it smells like when you have had socks on your feet for too long. Nah, I'm just kidding. Smells pretty tropical. but it dual smells like a chinense and super hot. Well, not wearing any gloves, not good. If I get any capsaicin oil on my fingers when it is a hottie like this, it will probably stay on for like 2 or 3 days. Well, stupid chili head as I am. So I get right back when I deseeded this one, but the placenta will get destroyed, but the heat will still remain. Well, when it comes to my tolerance, I'm probably up at, say, 1.5 million right now. The heat on those peppers that are that high. Holy crap, there I got some capsaicin oil on my finger. Well, the heat on super hots that are around 1.5 million lasts about 3 minutes before it declines. So this one will probably stay for like 5 or 6 minutes. So no panic. Mickes Äventyr, the Gator Jigsaw Purple. Let's have it. Pretty good. Pretty good pot. Kind of sweet, a little fruity, some bitterness but not much. Heat wise, here we go. Not that instant, it creeps on you, but it's building fast right now. Pounding the crap out of my tongue. Burning in the whole mouth. Strange. When I said it was building pretty fast, it just stopped. This one is not, I say, not 1.5 or 2 million. It still pounds the crap out of my tongue, but it doesn't build anymore. So this is not one of the hardest peppers in the world right now. I'm pretty disappointed actually. I was hoping to feel a massive burn, but I think that Peach Gum Tiger Map is hotter than this one. This one is just around 1 million Scoville heat unit. The heat is declining right now as I speak. So I won't be needing this. And I don't know if I should sow the seeds. If this pod lacks that much in heat, I have several pods of the Gator Jigsaw Purple that's ripe. I have two unripe, or pods that are about ripe. I picked all pods from the plant today. Then I cut the plant down and throw it away. And made room for the other plants that are getting bigger. And I will cut down and throw away 3 or 4 more plants in the next week. When they ripe up, I don't need them anymore. I got the fruits, I got the seeds. So that's how I decided with my Kratkies, with that when their fruits ripe up totally, and I pick them, I will get rid of the plants, because I have all the seeds I want, I have all the pods I want. I do have a lot of pods to eat, more than I can do on weekdays, because I can take a 1 million at Scoville heat unit pod at my work at lunch, and 1.5 at the evening after the dinner here at home. But on weekends I can do several pods, like at least 2, 3 or 4, 5. I have a announcement to do as well. I said when I reach 1,000 followers on Instagram, I will do something spectacular, and I have today come up with an idea that I will take hot peppers from mild up to extreme hot and try to eat as they do at chili contests, to see if I'm ready for that. I know I do want to do a chili contest, eating contest, this year. The heat is gone. I can't feel anything. Good tasting pod, disappointing in the heat, didn't give me anything. So if I would rate this one 1 to 10, this one was a 2 for me. But for a non-chili head, don't do this. That would probably make your brains crash or something. Well, that's all from me. In the heat I trust. Take care out there and be safe. Goodbye.